Welcome to Visionary Designs, where we believe that true elegance lies in simplicity. Today, we're exploring the 5 essential elements of rustic minimalism, a style that brings warmth, serenity, and timeless beauty to your home. If you're looking to create a space that feels both grounded and refreshing, you're in the right place. Take a moment to subscribe and like this video to join us on more journeys through inspiring design. Let's uncover the core principles that define rustic minimalism, helping you transform your living space into a haven of tranquility. The foundation of rustic minimalism lies in natural materials. Think warm woods, cool stones, and soft natural fabrics. These elements bring the outdoors in, creating a connection to nature that soothes the soul. Imagine running your fingers over a reclaimed wood coffee table, feeling the unique grain that tells a story of its past life. Picture the warmth emanating from a stone fireplace on a chilly evening, inviting you to gather around with loved ones. Linen curtains gently filtering the light create a serene and soft ambiance, wrapping you in a cocoon of comfort. In rustic minimalism, we celebrate the inherent beauty of materials. The knots in wood, the veining in marble, the nubby texture of wool. These imperfections tell a story and add character to your space. Consider incorporating a mix of materials, perhaps a leather armchair paired with a jute rug, or a sleek metal lamp on a rough-hewn wooden side table. This interplay of textures adds depth and interest to your space, while maintaining a cohesive, natural aesthetic. Authenticity is key. Opt for real materials over imitations whenever possible. The goal is to create a space that not only looks beautiful, but also feels genuine and grounded. Next, we have the color palette. Rustic minimalism embraces the colors of nature: warm earth tones, soft greens, and muted blues. These colors create a calm backdrop for your life, allowing you to relax and recharge in your space. Imagine the soft green of sage leaves or the warm terracotta of clay, enveloping you in a sense of tranquility. Start with a neutral base. Think warm whites, soft beiges, or gentle grays. These colors provide a versatile foundation that can evolve with your tastes over time. Then, add subtle pops of color inspired by nature. Remember, in rustic minimalism, we're not aiming for stark contrasts or bold statements. Instead, we're creating a harmonious blend of tones that evoke the serenity of the natural world. Consider how light interacts with your chosen colors throughout the day. A warm beige might glow gold in the morning sun and soften to a gentle taupe in the evening. This interplay of light and color adds depth and interest to your space, without the need for bold hues. Lastly, don't forget the power of white space. Allowing areas of white or very light neutral tones gives the eye a place to rest, enhancing the calming effect of your color palette. In rustic minimalism, every item serves a purpose. This doesn't mean sacrificing beauty for function. Rather, it's about finding the beauty in functionality. Imagine a beautifully crafted wooden bench that offers seating and storage, inviting you to sit and stay a while. Its clean lines and natural grain exemplify rustic minimalism, while its dual purpose helps maintain a clutter-free space. Or think about open shelving. It displays your most cherished items while keeping them within reach, combining practicality with personal expression. In this style, we embrace multi-functional pieces: a dining table that can double as a work desk, an ottoman with hidden storage, or a Murphy bed that folds away to create space. These pieces embody the efficiency and thoughtfulness of rustic minimalism. But functionality isn't just about multi-use items. It's also about considering the flow of your space. How do you move through your home? Are frequently used items easily accessible? In rustic minimalism, we create spaces that work with us, not against us. When each piece in your home has a clear purpose, you create a space that's both practical and peaceful. It's about living intentionally, surrounding yourself only with items that are useful, beautiful, or both. One of the most powerful elements of rustic minimalism is the embrace of negative space. This doesn't mean your home should feel empty. Rather, it's about giving each piece room to breathe. Think of negative space as the pause between musical notes. Without these pauses, music becomes noise. Similarly, without negative space, a room can feel cluttered and overwhelming. By carefully curating your possessions and allowing for open areas, you create a sense of calm and spaciousness. In practice, this might mean leaving a wall blank instead of filling it with art. Or perhaps it's about choosing one statement piece for a room rather than several smaller items. It could be as simple as leaving some shelves empty, allowing the eye to rest. Negative space also enhances the beauty of the items you do choose to display. A single vase of wildflowers on an otherwise empty table becomes a focal point, its beauty emphasized by the space around it. Embracing negative space isn't about creating a sparse or unwelcoming environment. It's about being intentional with your choices, allowing each element in your home to shine. Finally, rustic minimalism is about fostering a deep connection to nature. This goes beyond just using natural materials. It's about creating a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces and bringing the healing power of nature into our daily lives. Imagine large windows that frame a beautiful view, not only flooding your space with natural light, but also creating a living artwork that changes with the seasons. If you're not blessed with a scenic view, consider how you can create one. Perhaps a well-placed bird feeder can transform a simple window into a hub of natural activity. Indoor plants are another powerful way to connect with nature. They purify the air, add life to your space, and provide a nurturing routine of care. Choose plants that thrive in your specific light conditions. Remember, in rustic minimalism, we work with nature, not against it. Consider bringing nature into your daily rituals. A small indoor herb garden in your kitchen not only adds freshness to your meals, but also engages your senses with the scent and texture of living plants. Natural scents can also enhance your connection to the outdoors. A subtle pine-scented candle or the fresh scent of lavender can evoke the feeling of being in nature even when you're indoors. Lastly, consider how you can extend your living space outdoors. A small balcony with comfortable seating or a patio with a simple fire pit can create an additional room that connects you directly with the natural world. As we've explored each of these essential elements individually, let's take a moment to see how they come together to create a harmonious and serene, rustic, minimalist living space. Seeing these elements together truly highlights the beauty and harmony of rustic minimalism. Each element complements the others, creating a space that feels both elegant and inviting. We hope this visual journey inspires you to incorporate these principles into your own home, crafting a sanctuary that reflects your personal style and brings peace to your everyday life. As we've explored these 5 essential elements, remember that rustic minimalism is not about rigid rules, but about creating a space that feels authentic to you. It's about surrounding yourself with beauty and meaning while letting go of the unnecessary. We hope this journey has inspired you to look at your space with fresh eyes. How might you incorporate these elements to create your own rustic minimalist haven? If you've enjoyed this calm exploration of rustic minimalism, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Visionary Designs for more inspiration on creating spaces that nurture your soul and reflect your life's journey. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, may your home be a source of peace and renewal.